First Year Enrollment Drive 2025. Welcome to Government Gordon Graduate College Rawalpindi, an institution with a legacy of excellence, discipline, and success. Admissions for first year, intermediate level, are now open at Gordon College Rawalpindi. Secure your admission on basis of grade 9 results. Why choose Gordon College? Here's why we stand out. Affordable and quality education. High quality academic environment. State-of-the-art science and computer labs. Highly qualified staff. Vast library and research support. Co-curricular and sports activities. Prime location with easy accessibility. Classes commence on April 7, 2025. Ensure timely admission for a smooth start. For all admission-related inquiries, please visit our admission office. Gordon College Rawalpindi, your gateway to success.